Cracks or damage on your pool deck can turn a chill hangout spot into a total safety hazard real quick. Alright, so if you notice cracks or damage on your pool deck, the first thing you want to do is check how deep and wide those cracks are. If they're tiny, like hairline cracks, you can probably fix them yourself with some concrete patch or sealant from your local hardware store. Clean the area well, no dirt or loose bits, because the patch won't stick otherwise. For bigger cracks, grab a concrete filler that's made for outdoor use and make sure it's waterproof since your pool area is always wet. Apply the filler or sealant evenly and smooth it out with a putty knife or trowel. You want it to blend in as much as possible. Let it dry completely before you walk on it or splash water around because you don't want your hard work to wash away. Also, try to keep your pool deck clean and free of standing water. It helps prevent new cracks from forming. And if you're unsure about the severity, don't hesitate to call a pro early on, or those small cracks could turn into big, expensive problems. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pool deck cracks is ignoring them until they get way worse, which leads to more expensive repairs or even dangerous tripping hazards. Fix small cracks right away to avoid that. Another common issue is using the wrong type of concrete or sealant that isn't designed for outdoor wet environments, so make sure you get products labeled for pool decks or outdoor concrete repair. Lastly, rushing the drying time is a huge no-no. If you don't let the patch cure fully before walking on it or getting it wet, it won't bond properly and the crack will come back fast. Patience here really pays off. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about pool deck repairs and other home projects. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to get real leads and grow your business by reaching people who need your skills right away.